Maker Faire Detroit. It is an amazing carnival of invention, innovation, and entrepreneurship. It is about 270 different projects, somewhere around 1,000 makers, demonstrating what they make, their creativity, their innovations, and asking people to engage with them, play with them, and make with them.
The Maker Faire is all about people doing things, creating stuff with their hands, creating stuff with their head, and really putting their heart and soul into it.
A lot of people have been making things in their basements and garages for a long time. The maker movement's just really been about getting everybody out and sharing what you've known and what you've learned and what processes you can work on and things like that. So an opportunity like Maker Faire Detroit where you can come out and show off what you've done, talk to other makers, talk to people who don't know anything about making it, it's just a really great opportunity.
At GE, we value diversity, and at Maker Faire, you see people from little inventors through universities all the way to large companies like GE. And we feel at home with that sort of a crowd because we are makers, we are Detroit strong, we're here locally, so it's just such a fantastic place for us to be at.
At the Henry Ford, we talk about inspiring to shape a better future, and we also talk about innovation, ingenuity, and resourcefulness. So when it comes down to helping young people realize their innovative potential, making is one way that we can get them sort of thinking, learning, and doing in a creative way.
Everybody knows the Henry Ford. Ford's huge in the industry for everything he's done, so it just showcases what's out there and what's available and where these designs came from. Without that, we wouldn't have had some of the stuff that we have today, and to be able to create and do what we do, so that's huge.
Maker Faire is a great fit for the Henry Ford because the Henry Ford Museum in Greenfield Village celebrate innovation throughout American history. Everything that's been new or different or that somebody took a different approach to and thought, how can I do things a little bit better? What do people need that they don't even know they need yet? The Henry Ford celebrates it. We're surrounded by that here. The maker community is all about innovation in the now and in the future. Again, what do we need that we don't even realize that we need? The people that are at Maker Faire are doing exactly that and coming up with those kinds of things. And while it might seem like they're just doing little projects in the garage, the thought processes, the things that they're up to are actually going to be what we're doing in the next 5 to 10 years, not only in our personal lives, but in industry. This is a great place to celebrate that kind of innovation. It's a great connection between past, present, and future.